Guangdong Bester Household Products Limited is a group company with manufacturing base in Zhanjiang and Foshan. Our main products include electric kettle, rice cooker, digital rice cooker, mini rice cooker, multi-cooker, pressure cooker, thermo pot, and new home appliances. With 320 workers and 5 assembling lines, total capacity comes to 400,000 pieces per month. With our own workshop for injection, metal pressing, inner pot, polishing, we can ensure timely delivery for the customer. Now products have been successfully exported to South American, Europe, Middle East, and Asian countries, and expand a wide market for our wholesalers and retailers. We believe quality is a must factor to keep long-term business with customers. The company has the ISO 9001 certification. Better insists on building own engineering team, served in our laboratory for developing new designs and technology for the customer. We has been focusing on home appliance for many years. Therefore, we have collected abundant experience. We are capable of providing you with bulk order and produce equipment. We develop 4 to 10 new designs and new products every year, and offer customized service for clients on product and packing. With stable quality, timely delivery, and innovative products, we strive to work together with our customers to keep the leading position in the market.